That's too bad. Orange will be the new red. Anyhow, back here for, I think, third try trying to get these on YouTube for YY. So I think we got it figured out. Let's hope so. So we're going to do a Y to Y voltage diagram. So Y to Y voltage diagram. Y to Y. So this could be a step, pardon me, this could be a step down or a step up. Either one will work on this one. So we always, on our voltage diagrams, we always draw the high side first and then the low side. So what do we want to picture? We want to picture this over here. We want to picture three separate transformers that are going to get connected to a three-phase source, and then they're going to kick out to a load three-phase. Whether this is step up or step down, a YY, you can use this diagram that we're about to do. All right, so we want to follow our CSA configuration. All right, okay, so first thing I like to do is draw just a nice straight line. Get our start point. Straight line. And I'm going to just put a little tick right there, and that's going to be my start point. So coming off of the start point, I'm going to use my protractor and put a little tick at 30 degrees. So our first one here, I'm going to come off of here with my first tick and come off that line at 30 degrees. And I'm going to use, just happens to be 8 inches, is going to be handy here. And from here to here, boom. That's our first voltage diagram. And this is going to represent T1. And this will be H1 to H2. Our next voltage diagram, make sure we get the proper displacement. I'll show you that in a moment. Our next one is going to be coming straight down. I like to use the colors to help me see that I have 3 different transformers. This one here is going to be T2, and this is going to be H1 and H2 of T2. And the next one, draw, put the caps on, let me dry out. Next one, just because I've gone to scale here, I just come right there and move until I get to 8 inches. And I know that will give me my proper displacement. So that would be T3, H2, H1. All our H's are coming together. I have a displacement of 120 degrees, 120 degrees, 120 degrees. We'll put our labels on here on that side. We'll finish that up in just a moment. Our next thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw the low side. So we always draw the high side first on our left hand side of our paper. And next thing we're going to do, I'm just going to put a little start point right there. Come off of my start point. And I put a little tick for 30 degrees. Same thing that we did over there, but now we're drawing our low side. Up to that point right there. Arrow, and this is T1. T1 high is going to induce a voltage over to here, if this is a step down transformer. So that's H1, that's H2. So that's one transformer, just like the picture that we looked at. Over here, we're going to draw our T2 coming straight down like so. Boom. Like that, there's T2, and that's going to be my H, pardon me, I got H's on here, tisk, tisk, tisk. These are x's. x1, x2, x2, x1. X is for the low side. Sorry about that. All right. Next one, right over here. I just got to extend my line a little bit, I believe. And the next side is going to be blue. So let's get some blue on here to represent transformer 3. And let's see. So there's transformer 3 coming in. And transformer 3, this is x1, x2. Right. Let's pick up on a couple things. Look at these voltage diagrams. This right here, that's going that way. And look at T3. It's parallel and going the same direction. This and this are parallel going the same direction. If we draw our high side first and follow our low side where they're parallel and going the same direction, we'll be fine when we get to some of the trickier ones like delta Y. All right, next thing that we're going to pick up on is where we're going to put our bus bars. So our bus bars, we're going to have A, B, C on our high side, and of course on our low side, we're going to go right around the clock again, A, B, C. Now when I draw one more line here, I'll use, you know what, I'll use green so it doesn't represent ground. So I'm going to draw from A to B my high side. I'm going to extend that line, and I'm going to draw A to B over here as well, and these should be parallel and going the same direction. If they're parallel and going the same direction, there is going to be 0 degrees phase displacement between A and B on a Y to Y. And that's how we're going to draw our Y to Y configuration for a CSA voltage configuration. Thanks.